Hey guys, it's Carly 123567. This is a shout out for Stuart. I don't know how to pronounce his YouTube name, but I subscribe to him. I don't know how to put him in the lower link of the bar, but you might know his channel name. He makes cooking videos and stuff, like random stuff, and he's pretty cool. And yeah, so I have request, Stuart. Could you make either cookies or brownies? Because I guess if you like to cook, I don't know. So if you can make brownies or cookies, I don't know. So I can't even look at the cam. I have to look at the screen. I never look at the cam. So just a quick shout out to Stuart. Hey Stuart, thumbs up. See, how weird is this? My hand always goes back and I can't do a proper thumbs up like this. My thumb always goes back, so. Oh, look how tiny my pinkies are. I forgot to show you my pinky. Yep. Pretty tiny. And don't know what to talk about, but just a shout out for Stuart. And yeah. And by the way, Stuart, I like your name. That's a really nice name. So, random stuff. Cook whatever you want, but the video that you drinking the egg and you put NBD, no big deal. Ew, that must have been gross. So a request for cooking cookies or brownies or Rice Krispies. Yeah, do that, I guess, if you want to. So, bye. Happy New Year.